AIS Construction Equipment procures used equipment from around the world for reconditioning at our state-of-the-art reconditioning center in Lansing, Michigan. All incoming equipment is performance tested on the AIS testing ground to determine how the machine performs in a real working environment. The AIS technician then does a complete inspection before recommending necessary repairs to bring the unit up to AIS certification standards. All equipment receives a thorough cleaning to remove grease and dirt before heading to the shop for repairs. Machine repairs start with oil filters being removed and cut open to get a better idea of what's going on inside the engine and other components. All engines receiving minor repairs or major rebuilds will have the oil and filters replaced. Electrical systems are checked with the latest computer diagnostics to be sure all functions are working when the equipment leaves the shop. Drivetrain and attachment components are all repaired or replaced to make the equipment level A, B, or C certified, so when it arrives at your work site, you have a certified, fully reconditioned unit ready to do the job. After mechanical repairs, units that need bodywork, paint, and decals head to the AIS paint department. AIS has complete sandblasting, body repair, and painting facilities on site. After bodywork is completed, machines are primed, painted, and reassembled. The final touch is replacement of new decals to make equipment look as good on the outside as they function on the inside. All equipment receives a final inspection to be sure all repairs were completed correctly and the machine is ready to go to work. Only then does equipment passing the inspection receive the AIS certified sticker and move to the sales lot. When you visit AIS, all certified equipment will have a complete documentation of repairs and level of certification, so you have the confidence of knowing you're buying AIS certified reconditioned equipment.